Hi everyone, it's Laura from Lime and Joy. I'm a wife, a medical coder, and a mom of 6, and I'm on a journey to become debt-free, breaking generational strongholds of debt so the next generation can live and give like they were meant to. So if I interest you, then stick around, because today we're going to do 2 different savings challenges, one to set my kids up for the summer and another one to help pay for a large expense. So let's get into it. All right, everyone, let's go ahead and get into it. We're gonna do 2 different savings challenges. I have my summer savings challenge and my large expense one for saving up. So I'm really excited to reveal these to you. I've been waiting a while for the summer saving one and I'm really excited to do it. So let's go ahead and get going, get a cup of coffee, some water, a soda, whatever you need, and let's get to it. Okay, what I'm gonna start off with is just adding up this money. Let's see how much we have to work with today. We got 20, 40, 60, 80, 120. Got 120 here. Let me grab my calculator. And 10, 20 there. 5, 10, 15. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. So I just got 162 to work with today. We'll just see what we can do with that and stuff what we can stuff. So this one is from Fearfully and Wonderfully Made Creations. When I saw her savings challenge, I had to do it, and I already unboxed it to save everybody some time, but I want to show you what it came with. So it's her little business card and where to follow her. And she had these cute stickers that came in it. Choose Joy, which is totally me, right? Because I'm Lime and Joy. And do something today that your future self will thank you for, which I love the saying. So we're going to put those there. And then it also has this, thank you for choosing my small business. Scratch me for your surprise. So let's go ahead and see what that is first. I don't know about you, but I just love savings challenges that motivate me, and that's what I needed. I needed a summer savings challenge for my kids that would motivate me and help me along this, journey. I'm just always about that because it helps keep me going. All right, so it looks like I got 10% off. And I got a code. Woohoo! That's great. So I think that's super great, and I'll be able to do that on my next purchase, which I think is so fun. Okay, for the challenge itself, it came with this cute keychain. So it came with a scratcher, it came with stickers, and it came with this cute keychain. I have to show you. Can you see that? You are beautiful. I absolutely love that. And then it has the clear black ringed binder with it. So now I'm going to just go ahead and show you, and as we do it, I think we'll go ahead and stuff some. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's see here. I think that's really cute. Summer savings challenges. All right, so you were able to ask for them. I think there was like 10 or so. I'm not exactly sure. Different like categories. So I did summer savings for food, fast food for my kids, because okay, I don't know about you, but summer gets crazy. I gotta have food money, okay? And then summer savings, family fun. I was thinking like movies, bowling, miniature golf. And I was able to set the amount, which I thought was really neat. She had you pick your category, and she had the pictures of them, what they look like, and then you're able to pick your amount, and she customizes them. So that's fun. And then summer saving, family fun. And I also chose summer savings theme park. I want to take my kids to a few local theme parks because we're planning on moving, and I thought it'd be really fun for them to be able to do that. And so I set that amount to $250. And then sports camp, my boys are all in sports, and so I had to start a fund for that. And then also water play. I was thinking the water park I live, it's really hot here in the summer. It's like 110, and those places are expensive. But even if I did a park with a splash pad, maybe I could buy little water guns, or who knows, maybe outside pool thing. I don't know. It'll go towards all that water play for the kids in the summer. And then she ends it with this cute Vellum at the back. So I just thought, isn't it cute? summer savings front and the back. It's adorable. Okay, let's go ahead and start it though. Let's see here with the first one, which is summer savings fast food. Let's go ahead and scratch one. I'm looking for a total of 150 here. Let's do, I don't even know. Let's do this one. What I really like about these is that $10, it's an envelope too. I don't know if I said that. So it just goes straight in there, which, oh my goodness, so cute. Okay, so 10 towards my summer savings fast food already done. Next one is summer savings family fun, and this amounts a little more for 200. So let's see what we can go ahead and scratch off here. Let's go ahead and do this one. All right, and there's this one. Let me brush that one off. All right, that one's all done. And that one was 25. And I love that she has the picture is behind it, so you'll be able to see it says like a little movie reel, and it says movie and music. So that one's fun. So 25, let's go ahead and get that all in there. Again, I just love that they're actual envelopes too, and they're not separate. It makes it so much easier just to kind of have it all together. Next I did summer savings theme park. Let's go ahead and try this one. All right. Okay, so summer savings theme park, we got 15. All right. And I'm excited for summer. I don't know, what's your favorite theme park? Like, are you a Disney, diehard fan? Or I like the local smaller ones. I've always been like that. Like, Disney's fun, but it's gigantic. And I personally like the smaller local theme parks personally. So, and I went to Universal Studios and I didn't really like that one. So that's interesting, but I don't care for Universal very much. Okay, summer sports saving. This stuff can be expensive. Let's go ahead and scratch off one here. Yeah, my kids just did rugby for rugby season, and that was fun, a new experience. It was the first time they've ever done rugby. I didn't even really know what it was. I only knew like what football was because I'm, from the States, and so we don't know that as much. But it was so great, and the coach was so nice to build like just real team building experience for them and learning how to be kind. I mean, sports can teach so much to kids, right? Okay, let me go ahead and clean this one off. And this one we got 35, so let's do 20. You know what? I'm gonna actually just round it up so I'll have a little bit extra at the end. So there's that one. What do we got? We got one more for water play. And this one was free. I didn't mention that. I only ordered the summer's fast food, savings challenges, the family fun, the theme park, and the sports camp, because that's how much her book comes with. But because I was one of her first 10, I got an extra one. So make sure you go grab yours right away if there's still some left to get your first, your free scratcher with it. So let's go ahead and let's scratch this one. All right, 15. Okay, there it is there. We're gonna also round it up to a 20 just because it helps me save more. I could always do more. And there it is. There's the summer savings challenge, which is really nice. This way it'll keep me going, and I have a little bit of money for each one. And when I'm done, this is probably one of my favorite parts, I still have a binder left over. So I'm excited to maybe see and purchase another one of her first savings challenges to put in here. I just feel like it's really well made, and I really like how aesthetically it looks. So that makes me happy. And now to our last one for today. I'll move this over here. Is this swipe and save. And I have done it one time just to kind of like figure out what it was. But I have to buy my second eldest a laptop for for college. It's what her graduation gift is going to be. I guess I don't have to. I would really like to, right? To set her up. She's just the sweetest thing and really has done well in school, and she has quite a road to go. So I wanted to go ahead and do that for her. Anyway, so this is, I'm going to use, I have multiple savings challenges going for her right now, and this is just one of them that I thought would be fun. I will link this one below, as well as the summer savings challenge. It's really high quality. It looks like cardstock, which is laminated, and it's nice and simple. It's big. Sometimes I get these challenges and they're small. I like that this one's bigger. I mean, for reference, this is an A6 size binder, and this is like the same size, right? So I just feel like that's a really good size for it was a pretty good price too. So it comes with this little cute guy and this little cute tiny little dice. Adorable. So let's go ahead and put it. It says begin at the start and roll the die. Move that number of spots and land on a card and slide down. Stop on a pig and move up. So we're going to push start, and let's go ahead. Oh, it's right. I ended up here last time. So I did start last time and I rolled and I got right here. So now we're going to go forward from here, which we went this many spaces last time. Let's see where we go. 5. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I landed right there. So let's scratch it off and see what it is. And I would suggest, like, if you don't have maybe the finances to do these kind of games, you can always just get a deck of cards, and maybe you say for that day, every 5th card, that's how much you put in there. You can make them different values or just do for what it says. There's all kinds of ways to be creative, even, you know, chutes and ladders, the game Sorry. I mean, there's all kinds of ways. All right, so this one was save $10, which is perfect. I think I'm just gonna, let's see if we'll do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, we're gonna say put 10 into here for later, and that will get me going for her next journey. So that was a fun little just mini savings. I just wanted to hop on and do a little bit today because I want to keep going for my daughter, which is coming up really soon, and I was really excited to show you the summer savings challenge that I just started doing because summer's right around the corner and we need something for our kids to do. Okay, that's it for today, and as always, if you want to do more savings challenges and more tips and tricks to build wealth, I'll go ahead and link a video right here for my long form savings challenge that I just did. But always find joy in your journey, and I'll see you next time.